Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you own the Ps5, gather the PSN email, account password, and the console serial number. Once ready, identify who created the restriction, a parent, guardian, or the family manager, because their account controls removal. Try any likely passcodes, but stop after a few attempts to avoid additional blocks. If you cannot recall the owner account, make sure to record timestamps and the console details. These will speed support verification when you contact PlayStation. Next, sign into the PlayStation account management site with the suspected manager account. Navigate to Family Management to remove or change the restriction, because that's the cleanest fix. If you cannot access the controlling account, evaluate Initialize Ps5, a factory reset, but only if you have backups, since it erases local saves, apps, and settings. Once done, set up the console as new and relink your PSN. This restores access, but loses unsynced data, so weigh the trade-offs carefully. Finally, if account recovery or reset isn't viable, contact PlayStation support and provide proof of purchase, the console serial number, and the PSN email. Support will verify ownership and guide account-locked recovery. Once you're on the call, make sure to explain which account managed the restriction and any previous recovery emails you used. If things go wrong, the most important troubleshooting move is to gather documentation, receipts, and account details, because verification delays are the main blocker when support must remove a console restriction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.